Thank you, Grandma Dina.
Thank you, Grandma Dina.
Thank you.
Is the video on?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Now he's going to cut it open with
Can
these
I
scissors.
video it?
Careful.
You can come over here and see.
Careful.
Get out.
Careful. Just, you know how to use scissors, right?
Yeah.
And you can tear it apart once you have enough scissors done.
I want to do it.
I got.
Oh my God.
I can hold it steady.
Just what I wanted.
Can I?
This. Thank you.
Steady.
La da la da la. Huh?
Oh.
That means it's something.
Good job.
Ooh,
And you can
what's
tear it
that?
open now.
What's that?
What is it?
What's that?
I want the screen to go close up to it.
Yeah, do a close
There's
up now.
something in there.
It's pink stuff. What is this pink stuff?
Yay!
I love it.
Open this side.
Why does Vincent get the pink stuff?
Here, Vincent. You want to do this side?
Sorry.
Careful.
Doesn't.
Let's stay back. Okay. There. Now. What is it? Oh my gosh! It's a bag.
It's a bag.
Oh my god!
Wait, these are
Wait.
score bunny. Oh my god! I just caught these.
You caught them in Pokemon Go?
Yeah.
Cool.
When I was driving home. And then there's this.
Pink
This
stuff.
one has-
What's that?
Vincent, which one do you want?
We.
So I'm in the
What's in
pink
here?
one.
Oh my goodness. Chansey and Charlotte.
Ooh, what's this?
It's a
What is that
it's
one?
the evolution of Snivy. And this is Magma. Wow. And then this is Cricketot. Wow.
Oh my
And
gosh.
then this is like Stunky.
Gunky?
Stunky.
La, 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 la.
And this is Pachirisu.
Oh wow, you can name them all.
That's
I
awesome.
didn't even know what that one was.
I don't know this.
Here, put some of these in.
Oh, there's one that you couldn't name?
Yeah, this one. I just said the evolved form of Snivy.
Oh, but you know it though. You
Yeah.
know what it evolved from.
Yeah.
Squirtle.
Oh wow.
This is like
The Squirtle bag and the Charmander bag. The starter bags.
oh, look, it's toxicity. Yeah.
What's toxicity?
This dude.
Oh,
Wait, do you have the
Toxel.
middle form of that?
There's no middle form of this.
What? There's only two forms?
Yeah.
Oh,
So
that's
what's
cool.
this?
I know. What's that one?
Oh my! It's a box.
Ooh.
It's a box.
A box?
It's a box.
I told you.
It's a box.
You'd like this.
It's a box. I love this. Still raining.
Did you-
Cool.
Is that it? Did you want to look in the box?
Do you want to look in the box for a sec?
Look in the box.
What's in that box? That's the
Oh,
last
it's
box,
Pokemon
right?
cards.
You should look. You should look at it.
All right.
I
Well,
got Grandma with one cute.
I mean, we don't have to look at them all right
We
now.
don't have
We
to
could
look at them
just
all,
just say thanks,
just
and
say
this is
Little stickers of them.
already 5 minutes.
There's little stickers of them.
Oh,
Little
cool.
stickers. There's Snorlax. I love Snorlax. What's this purple thing? I don't know. Oh, I'll learn about it.
Well, you could look at what is it? What is it though?
Oh. It's nothing. Is there something in the box other than cards? Is that a hat?
This is
What is
What is this?
underneath this?
What's this? What's that? Pull
This
that
is
out. I want to see that.
This is a hat, a purple hat, a Gengar hat,
Cool.
a Gengar hat.
Okay, put that on.
Okay.
Okay,
And then
put
you can look at the cards.
put that on, and we'll end it there.
Wait, no, don't.
Yeah.
Yes.
And say
No,
thank
I
you.
need to do the final.
Okay.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Do a final finale. Okay. Jasmine's
Okay.
working on a finale thingy.
Jasmine's working on it for now.
I don't know. I don't know
I
what
like
that
these
means.
bags.
That hat fits you really nicely though.
Yeah, it does. It's a winter.
Is it enough?
Yeah, that's enough.
Pink stuff?
Yeah.
No. No, it's not. I can't hold the Charmander one.
Okay. Well, that's good.
No, it's not.
Bunny.
No, don't end it.
You can end the video if you
No,
want.
Yeah, you can end the video.
stop. The final finale.
Snapple.
The final finale. The final finale.
Dun dun dun. Look at all these things.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Wait,
you.
don't. Wait, but who's doing the final
Vincent.
finale?
This is
You've got to
awesome.
write her a thank you card now.
Okay.
And put a picture. You should draw a picture of a Pokemon on it.
Okay.
That would be great.
Yeah.
Okay, what's this finale?
Okay. What's this finale that we're waiting for?
That we're waiting
Just turn off the video.
No!
I really just want to.
Awesome
Okay.
finale.
Okay, bye.
No,
3,
Vincent, you need to
2.
Vincent, is it back there?
Okay,
She
so
had
back
some sort of
here.
plan. I don't know. I don't.
No!
Vincent, just sit down. Let her do her plan so we can get it over with. Are we gonna dump it on him or something?
No, don't use that. I want those bags.
He wants those bags. That's fine. We're gonna keep the bags. Those are cool bags. What? Just.
What did the bags do?
Thank
She's
you.
being silly.
Jocelyn.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you! Now, can I hold the camera?
No.